We are pleased to show you the 2018 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the MINI Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear window wiper, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.